Mastering the passive voice with should. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of passive voice, with a special focus on using the modal verb should. Using passive voice with should can help us express advice, recommendations, and more, all in a more formal or polite tone. So buckle up, and let's get learning. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to remind ourselves what passive voice and the modal should are. In passive voice, the focus is on the action and the receiver of the action rather than the performer. For example, the cake was eaten by me. The modal verb should is used to give advice or talk about what is right or wrong. In an active voice, we might say, "You should finish your homework." The focus is on the person, you, not the action, finishing the homework. When we use should in the passive voice, we shift the focus to the action or situation, rather than the person. For example, the homework should be finished. The advice or expectation is still there, but now the emphasis is on the homework, the task at hand, not on the person who needs to do it. The structure is simple. Should plus be plus past participle of the main verb. Example, the rules should be followed. Here, followed is the past participle of the verb follow. Now, it's time for a quick quiz to test your understanding. I'll give you a sentence in the active voice with should, and your task is to convert it into the passive voice. 1. You should clean the house. 2. We should respect our elders. 3. They should answer the questions. Take your time and write down your answers. Pause. Ready for the solutions? Here they are. 1. The house should be cleaned. 2. Our elders should be respected. 3. The questions should be answered. How did you do? Remember, practice makes perfect. That's all for today's lesson on using passive voice with should. I hope you found this session helpful and informative. The key to mastering this, like any other English language concept, is to practice, practice, practice. Keep trying out new sentences, and in no time, you'll be using passive voice with should like a pro. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.